Hi everyone, this is Natalie from NeliDesign.com. Today I want to show you how to use the Weld function from the Cricut Design Space. Now, in order to help you, don't forget that you can download my free cheat sheet, and I will link to it in the description below. And if you want, just subscribe to my channel.
I want to weld those three so it makes only one shape. So I need to ungroup all of it because I've grouped them quite a few times right now. So each time I see group again, I'm going to ungroup. Here we go again. Hello, ungroup. So there's no more group. Now I don't really need this hexagon shape, so just in case, I like to close a little high so I still have it just in case I forgot something. And now I can select the three bars and just use weld again, so it makes one shape. And if you see, the snowflake right here that I have is only one shape. It's not made of multiple diamonds and another shape. So what you want to do for that is really simple. You select all of them and you do weld. So I'm gonna go and write sweet. That is not, and the text I chose for sweet is Felicity. Okay, here we go. Now Felicity is a script text, and Cricut Design Space doesn't already weld the script text. So you can reduce the letter spacing. So here you have letter space. Let's say you put 0, enter. So it does get the letter closer together, but it's not the exact precise thing we want. You see the T is really far away from the other letters, so that's not really doing what we want. So when I think that's the size I want. That's about the size I want. You just put it the size you want and then click on advance and ungroup letters. Now each letter has its own layer, so you're able to work with them whatever you want. So I'm gonna zoom in right here and we're gonna do this little precise work. So here's it, W. I want the E to go like this. Just try to make them one on top of the other. And the T, you see, that means you can do whatever you want. You could put the T up there, down there. I think I'm gonna put it down there so it's aligned with the W. I think it's pretty cute like that. So once they are touching each other properly, see that S is not, okay. We're gonna select all the layers using the shift key and we're gonna weld. So this makes it as one object that will cut continuously without the letters being separate.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the other videos on the other functions of the Cricut Design Space. Until then, please subscribe to my channel.